Did you know that reducing belly fat is all about diet and not crunches alone? Hi, this is Vanita Ashok, your fitness expert at stylecraze.com. With a little fitness experts advising diet and exercise, you can achieve remarkable changes in a month's time. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be showing you a few standing ab exercises that helps you tone your midsection and strengthen it, and visibly makes you look a lot slimmer. All these 5 exercises should ideally be done for a minute each. Here is your first exercise. This exercise is called Twister. Truly, it twists your body. This works on your oblique muscles and your transverse abdominal. Let me show you how to do this exercise. Feet shoulder width apart and cut yourself into half. You should look like a tabletop. Keep your back straight and knees soft. Do not lock them. Hands behind you. Open out your elbows. This is the start position. Twist to your right, center, left, center. I'm not involving any speed here nor momentum. I'm using my muscles to do this workout. Watch me. Right, hold it for 2 counts, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Continue to do this exercise for a minute. If you're sweaty, if you feel dizzy, you can stop the exercise. Here is your second standing ab exercise. This exclusively targets the transverse abdominal. This is known as alternate knee lift crunches. This is how you do your knee lift crunches. Feet shoulder width apart. Tuck your abdominals inside. You can either have your hands behind you or keep it in front of you like this. This is how the exercise goes. Standing ab crunches. Alternate knee lift. Alternate knee lift. Alternate knee lift. Alternate knee lift. And standing and crunching. Standing and crunching. Standing and crunching. Go for 1 minute. Crunch. Remember to crunch because we are crunching. Go against gravity towards gravity. Towards gravity against gravity. Go. Go for it. Go. Make sure your hands are together when you're here. If you have them here, even better. Even challenging. Very nice. Keep going. Keep doing this for exactly a minute. If you're stronger, then increase your time duration. The third standing ab exercises are called side knee lift crunches. Very easy to do this exercise. You can stand and do this exercise and you can do it anywhere. This exercise targets the midsection and your love handles. You're toning and building the strength of this region. This is how you do this exercise. Feet shoulder width apart, knees are soft, tuck your abdominals in. Hands here right behind your head. Do not pull your head, you're just holding it there. We're going to take it to the side and crunch it. See the crunch here and back. Crunch here, back. Crunch here, back. This is how the exercise goes, but we're going to do it both ways. This is how you execute it. Crunch, center, crunch, center, crunch, center, crunch, center. Lift that knee up, lift that elbow, let the elbow and knee touch and crunch it out here. Make it alternate. Do it for a minute. Let me show it to you again. Crunch, center, crunch, center, crunch, center, crunch, center, crunch, center. Elbow meets the knee and you're crunching. 1 minute and you're targeting your abdominals and your oblique muscles. Let's move on to the next exercise. This is my personal favorite and this is called jackknife. Jackknife targets your abdominals in the front. It is called the transverse abdominals. This is how the exercise goes. Feet together. Tuck your stomach in. Knees are soft. Retract your shoulder blades. Take your hands towards the ceiling. Right leg up. As you bring it up, crunch from your upper body. Hold it for 2 counts and up. Hold it for 2 counts and up. Crunch, up. Now, this is how you do the exercise. You saw the movement part of it. Let's go. Crunch. Change your leg. Crunch. 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 Just nice for you there. Let's go. For 1 minute. If you have balance issues, then you may want to consider this particular exercise. If you have somebody out there, you can hold on, ask them to be somewhere close to you and execute it on only one side. When you're done 8 times here, repeat it on the other leg. Awesome workout. First exercise, and you will love this exercise. By the end of 1 minute, your abs will be screaming. This is called table. This is how you do this exercise. Feet a little more than shoulder width and lower yourself into a squat. Hands in front of you. Both your hands are parallel to each other throughout the exercise. Here's your table. Look forward. Suck your stomach in. Do not hold your breath. Right, left, right, left. 1 more. As a variation, you can go forward and up. This is how you watch me now. Forward, up, forward, up. It works on your transverse abdominis and your oblique muscles. Increases its tone and strength. If you're new to exercise, then aim at 30 seconds each exercise. Gradually build it up to a minute. As you progress and get stronger, increase the duration of each exercise. Remember, for best results, diet and exercise go hand in hand. Do check out my video on diet tips to lose belly fat.